Stop by and take a look at 2017 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, child safety locks, power brakes, power windows, trip computer, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.